Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Vivo phone is ready. Unlock it, confirm battery above 20%, and back up any custom layout. Once done, go to Settings and tap Home Screen and Lock Screen. You do this because changing the home screen can reset icon positions. Backing up prevents data loss. Next, check whether you use the default launcher or a third-party launcher. If third-party is installed, note its name so you can switch or configure it properly. You now choose the launcher that defines your home screen. In Home Screen Settings, tap Default Launcher and pick either the system launcher or a third-party option. If you want more customization, install a trusted launcher from Play Store first. Once installed, open it and grant required permissions, then return to Settings and set it as default so icons and gestures map correctly. Make sure to preview themes and grid settings inside the launcher, because those control widget sizing and app arrangement. You finish by customizing layout. Open the chosen launcher settings to set grid size, icon size, gestures, and add widgets. Once done, restore your backup if available or manually arrange apps and folders to your preference. This ensures everything behaves as expected. If icons overlap or gestures fail, make sure to reboot the phone and, if needed, clear the launcher app cache or data, then reapply settings. This usually resolves conflicts without affecting other apps. Confirm changes and enjoy the new home screen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.